Yo, with some money goes with some money, get to boy. He can be building the boy who's here to tell you the truth, to tell you the truth. You with some money goes feeling fresh, feeling inspired, feeling every day to go make it, feeling to make a dream come true. Just know every time you see me here, I'm on my purpose. Just know every time you see me here, I'm gonna make it. And the main topic of today is, it's your boy EK in the building, the alphabet. And the main topic of today is, when she's interested in you, she will do whatever it takes to keep you. And when she is not interested in you, she will do whatever it takes to lose you. Here on this topic, we're going to look at people who are suffering in a relationship for a long time, being in a relationship you don't want. So if you're going to stick on my video, you're going to see how you're going to survive in a relationship. We're going to talk about the pros and the cons in a relationship when the girl is interested in you. For example, what I'm trying to mean, the advantages and the disadvantages when the girl is into you and when the girl is not into you. Do you get what I'm trying to say here right now? Let us first talk about the pros. Those are the advantages. When she's interested in you. When she's interested in you, first of all, she will be submissive. She will give you perfect booty like the hamburger. Like the hamburger. She will give you the booty like KFC. She will give you the booty like from Harris. She will give you that burger from Harris. She will give you the booty like everything. She will be submissive that you will enjoy everything. You know, when you have that woman, when she's submissive, that's the only enjoyable thing you can have, when she can give it to you 100%, when she's submissive to you, when she's interested in you. Well, you know, when the girl is interested in you, she can do whatever it takes to have you. She can give you always peace. But when the girl is not interested in you, you will see what she will do at you. You will see, nigga. So when she's interested in you, she will be submissive, 100% submissive, giving you that booty like the KFC, giving you that booty like the hamburger from the Harris. You know, I enjoy that burger. It's very nice, you know. It's very nice. So when she's interested in you, she will give you that booty like 100%, nigga. That's what I am trying. That's what I can tell you guys. She will 100% be interested in you. She will give you the respect when she's interested in you. You know, when the girl is interested in you, she doesn't want to lose you. She will provide you peace. She will provide you happiness. She will inspire you. She will motivate you. She will be helpful to your dreams. She will contribute a lot to your dreams. She will push you to go far ahead to your dreams. But when she's not interested, you my nigga. That's why you guys, you're suffering in a relationship. You being there in a relationship where the girl is torturing you, where the girl is bringing drama in life, but you there sitting because she's not interested in you. You know, let me tell you guys, if you have that girl when she's interested in you, I know I've ever got that girl who is interested in you. Even if she catches you cheating, she'll be there because she's interested in you. But when she's not interested in you, she won't be there. She won't provide you the happiness. She won't provide you the freedom. She won't provide you anything that can try to contribute to your life. But she will always provide hell to your life. Die completely. That's what I can tell you. But you in a relationship, you can't even configure. You can't. I don't know. I can say it. You can't try even to see it. Configure it out that if she's interested in you, if she's not interested in you. Because when she's interested in you, she will provide peace. She will be submissive. She will do whatever thing you want in your life because you will be the king to her life. But when she's not interested in you, guess what? she will cheat on you, she will lie you, she will drain your soul, she will drain your energy, she will drain your. Why don't you see that, niggas in a relationship? So why don't you see that? You there sitting around, the girls bringing drama. You have to always stand for yourself and stand for your dreams as a man and move out. If you don't do that, that's the only way you can make a girl who's interested in you. If the girl is interested in you, she will never bring drama in life. She will always be 100% submissive, respectful, no drama. I told you, if the girl is interested in you, even if she catches you cheating, she'll be there. She'll be like, oh, this is my man, this is my man. But when she's not interested in you, she's out. She's always giving you headache. But you, I don't know how I can call these guys, they're in a relationship, they are suffering anxiety, they are suffering stress, and they are trying to put their girls on a pedestal, like they are beautiful. You know, when you have that girl when she's beautiful, you know, I can't get another beautiful girl like this. Living a life of scarcity. We live a life of abundance. When you look at this planet, there are billions and billions of women, born beautiful women every day. Every day. So if you're gonna stick on that one girl who's gonna disrespect you, who will not understand you. I told you, if you wanna see a girl when she's interested in you, she will always be submissive. She will always provide with the happiness. And if you wanna see that girl who's not submissive in you, the one you're wasting time to, trying to stick around, the one who tortured you, just know she's not interested in you. The one who's cheating on you, the one who's picking calls from other guys when you are around, the one who people are texting when you are around, the one who's trying to trip around, just know she's not interested in you. Just know, why am I trying to preach this thing when you don't get it? You come to my YouTube channel, you subscribe, and you don't change your life, don't subscribe it. I don't need you to subscribe to my channel. I need you to subscribe to my channel when you're ready to change your life. If you want to have a successful relationship, you gotta figure out a person who is interested in you and a person who is not interested in you. That's what I can tell you guys. 100%, not tripping. When she's interested in you, she will never trip about you. She will never. Peace. Peace.